In this video, I am going to teach you how to post a job on Indeed, so you can easily find the right candidates for your company. It's quick, straightforward, and a must-know for any employer or recruiter. Let's get started. First, go to Indeed.com and sign into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're logged in with an employer account to access the job posting tools. Next, click Employers Post Job in the top right corner of the homepage. This will direct you to the employer dashboard where you can manage your job listings. Then, click the Post a Job button to start the process. This opens the job creation form where you can enter all the important details. After that, in the choices provided, select Hiring an Employee and click Post a Job next to that option. This ensures you're using the standard hiring method for permanent roles. Finally, just fill up all the required job details and information, such as job title, location, salary, and description. Make sure your job post is clear and attractive to the right applicants. And that's how to post a job on Indeed. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy guides like this. See you next time!